Goes to show, man, this distracted driving shit ain't no joke. Ain't no other way it's gonna get out of there.
Stick around when we hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
What up, G? And it's another morning of collisions. Not too far from the last one that we did the other day. Sitting at a traffic light, guy behind him in an F-150 wasn't paying attention. Man, he hit that son of a bitch so hard, he pushed him into the back of a dump truck. Damn.
I'm just sitting here at the light and he hit me from the back.
Oh, he pushed you into him.
Into that, yeah.
Damn, he had to hit you hard to do that.
Yeah, just.
Man, it's in bad shape. Ain't no other way it's gonna get out of there. The guy that was in this Hyundai, he's from Florida, said he was out here working. Today is his last day here in Arizona and he was headed home. Where you from originally?
Florida.
Oh, damn, you far from home, bro.
And I got a flight at 1.
Today?
Yeah.
So he thought. Is this one getting towed too?
I didn't think it needed to, but I think now it does need to.
Although with that bumper is close to that tire right there, there's no way.
As you turn it, bro.
Yeah, the bumper was just a smidge on to the tire. I mean, the only thing I could possibly do is I might hook my winch to it and I can pull it out.
Yeah.
But I mean, that liability is all on you because it's literally it's gonna destroy that bumper.
Tearing that tire up.
Yeah, well, and if I pull on it, it's gonna destroy that bumper. It'll be done.
Bumper's already gone too.
You sure? Okay. I ended up taking my winch cable to that front bumper at the F-150. All right. So you guys are good with me pulling on it and doing that, right? I asked them 3 different times, and each time they said, yeah, I'm cool with it. Like, you do understand that I'm literally gonna be bending your bumper. He's like, nah, I'm cool with it, man. I just want to get out of here. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just grab here and pull it out.
Okay. We grab my winch. We'll put it on the corner. We'll pull it out away from there.
Yeah, because it just has to come out. Just a little bit that way when we're trying to get another rub.
Yeah.
Like you said, turn that thing up.
Yeah. Couple little tugs, pulled it away. Try to turn it and see what it does real quick. See if that's good. Okay, turn it the other way. So you good with that there?
Yeah.
Okay. We all cleared the scene pretty much at the same time. We're gonna tow this thing 30 miles back to the rental car return center. It's at Sky Harbor Airport downtown. Raining out here, so chances are we're gonna get more of these collision calls a day. Luckily, everybody was okay though. Stick around, stay tuned. We're gonna get this 30-mile tow done and go from there.